Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install themes using the GNOME desktop. Now you'll need a couple of tools for this. So the tools I am looking for are tweaks. And I'm also looking for GNOME extensions. Now, if you haven't got these installed by default, what you need to do is go to Software. And in theory, you can search for extensions. And you'll see there's this option here, and you should be able to just click the install button. Tweaks is kind of different. If I search for tweaks, it isn't actually there, although refine looks like tweaks, but it's called something different. I would actually use the command line for this instead. So open up a terminal, and depending on your distribution, depends which terminal command you use. But for OpenSUSE, which I'm using, sudo zipper install gnome-tweaks. If you're using a Debian-based distro, it would be sudo apt install gnome-tweaks. But when I run this, you should see it's already installed. Which it is, nothing to do. And what we want to do first is go and get a GNOME extension. And we're searching for user themes. So you click on this user themes here, and you just click install. And click install there. And what will happen is when you run your extensions, you'll have this user themes option. And what you want to do is turn that on. If you go to tweaks and go to appearance, you'll see a list of styles that you can change. So you can change the icons, legacy, the shell, but there's only one theme installed really for the shell. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and find ourselves a theme to install. So we're going to go back to our web browser, and we're going to go for GNOME.org. And there's loads of themes here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to install a theme called, well, you can do it by rating. So these are the themes that most people like. So you've got this sort of like candy icon, and that's the sort of thing that you get with Garuda Linux. So it's like a neon theme. And you've got a few others down here. Material Black's quite a popular one. But another popular one, especially if you're a Mac user, is this white SUR GTK theme. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that, and we're going to click download. And you pick the one you want. I'm just going to go for the dark one. Now click this here, and you can download that to your folder like this. And now you open up your file folder, and you double click this, and that will then create a folder. And what you want to do is copy this folder, go to your home folder, and you want to turn this on and show hidden files. And what you want to do, if there isn't a .themes folder, what you want to do is right click and do new folder and then type .themes and then create. But obviously I've already got one, so it's not going to let me. But if I go into there, I can then paste in this folder, white SUR dark. So now that's in there, I can open up my themes. I can open up my tweaks. I can go to appearance. I can go here and I can go white SUR dark like that. I can do that one on this one. Now the icons hasn't got that, so we're still on the same thing for the icons and the cursor. So what we're going to do is go and get another theme to give us the icons. So if we go full icon themes, again it's easier if you do it by rating. And there you can see we've got a full white SUR icon theme. We click there and we click download. I'm just going to go for the top one. Click download. Download it again. And then we can minimize this and we'll go into our files folder. We'll go to our downloads folder. And this is the folder we downloaded. Now you don't want the top level folder. So what you want to do is you want this folder here. So you're going to copy this and you go back to your home folder. We're going to go down into the .local folder and we're going to go to share and we're going to create an icons folder in here. And we're going to paste again into this folder. And now you can see why SUR is there. And when we click this, you can see we've got nice Apple style icons. And that's what you've got. So if we open up one of these apps, you can see the styling of our apps now has an Apple style theme with little coloured icons. Now obviously you can do the same with the light themes. So we're going to download the light there. And what we'll do now is we are going to go back into our file manager. We're going to go to our downloads folder. We're going to open up the light one, copy it, and then we will go to our home and themes folder and paste that in there. Now when we go into tweaks and appearance, we can change this to the light theme, change this to a light theme. And of course, because we're in a dark theme already, what we also want to do is go here, go to, and we want to change our wallpaper to something brighter than this dark image that we've got at this moment in time. And there we have it. We have a nice bright Apple-esque desktop environment. And that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Everyday Linux User.